A happy Republic Day! Jai Hind! Hi friends, this video is on a short speech on Republic Day. You can use this speech in your college and schools. It would be great for you all. So let's begin. A good morning to my respected principal, teachers and my fellow students. I would like to wish you all a happy Republic Day. This is the 73rd Republic year. First of all, our India got independence in the year 1947 and it took 2 more years, 1950 January 26th, for its Republic Day. This 2 years, a time was taken to build its constituents, and Dr. Ambedkar is the person who brought constituents to our country. We celebrate the Republic Day all through our nation, but it is celebrated the most in Rajput, Delhi. That place is where we conduct our Republic Day parades, and that is the place where our Prime Minister comes and award general people and brave soldiers with gifts and money. So this is where we conduct the mass celebration, and in each one of your schools we celebrate a Happy Republic Day celebration. So Republic Day is celebrated nationally. So before I end the speech, I would like to wish you all a Happy Republic Day again.